Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. If you're a new viewer, go to our channel and watch all these videos. All these videos are for learning and educating. I share what I learned so that it can help a lot of beginners. So if you're liking such type of topics, hit the subscribe button to be a part of the Smart Trader family. And if you want to be part of my secret Telegram channel, open your account in Zerodha, Upstock, Angel Broking, or Alice Bloom. Okay, the link is in video description. You can click and open your account. So in this particular video, again, we will see an example of a price action, how to take advantage of price action to know levels, what price action traders are doing. Based on that reaction, we can do some scalping also in intraday. Yes, price action can be short term also, can be done in scalping also. It depends on your skills. Alright, if you see the market today, the market is in bullish side. If you see the overall candle is in green side, and if I go on a 30-minute scale also, almost trading above its own 30 minutes range, so somewhere in positive zone, and a lot of advantage for the stocks which are in positive. Also, if you see yesterday Adani Ports, we saw a breakout from the level of 767 and it had closed around 851. It's a great move. Today again it has opened green itself, but a few of them are dumping their shares, booking their profit. So you can see that it went up and around 84, opened around 57, and it has come down. So profit booking is taking place, but still there is few opportunities in the stock. If the market continues to be positive, then somewhere the stock has a tendency to fluctuate upside. So scalping is possible because 0.3% is around, let's if I say 90 paisa, 93 is 27, so around 2 rupees 60 paisa also I can consider, or 2 rupees 50 paisa also I can consider for this particular stock for scalping. So we'll see if we have other stocks also which I can scalp, so I'll just watch out. Let's see few stocks for the day. Again, I think Adani Ports is in the list. We have Hindalco. Hindalco, where is it trading? Is it trading at its high 360? And okay, so we have Hindalco also in the list. Hindalco 30 minutes was turned down. Okay, now let me draw some lines just to know what my price action traders are doing. Let me connect these dots just to get an idea. Okay. And what about the below level? Let me connect it somewhere here. Okay. This was for the story of 30 minutes. You see, it has taken a resistance here. It has gone down to close to these levels again, rebound, and again testing the resistance, not breaking, again coming down somewhere. See, when we say resistance, it's not that this exact line, this zone, okay, it can be little up or down also. So around this area, so it has again turned in this area, taking a support and finally gone up. Now I don't want the stock to go down like this in case I'm buying, right? So if I'm shorting, yes, I have to keep my stop loss above this resistance, which it should not break, and then I'm expecting it to come down somewhere here, right? 351. That is the calculation here. But if it is breaking this, then we can see a breakout entry. So let me check on 1 day also. Okay, so 1 day is telling one more story. I'll just clear this. Clear my drawing. I'll just draw like a double top. You see this? So in 1 day, it has reached a point. Previously, this was the resistance, and you see we have the support zone here. Okay, if it is breaking, then somewhere I would say 306 to, oh, that is a great move. Okay, so 306 to this one is around how much? 60 is gone, 50, 55 rupees, 54 rupees. A breakout can give around 400 levels. Okay, in case a breakout happens in Hindalco. Overall, if you see. But anyways, I'm not waiting for that short-term trading right now. I'm just looking for intraday scalping, an opportunity where everybody are buying and I'll enter there. These two stocks, we'll keep it in the list. Um, when Adani Port is taking a turn, I guess in the 30 minutes. Yeah. Alright, I know the market is green, but still number of sellers are comparatively higher in this particular stocks, and it is in this range. So we can scalp around 1 rupee 20 paisa here. So just shorted 1500 shares here. I know the market is green, but obviously if market is green doesn't mean market will only go up. Market will have a fluctuations of up and down, up and down. During this down, a little bit of down, I will try to scalp a 0.3%. So how much is 0.3% for this? Let me take a calculator. Okay, 356.55 minus 0.3 percentage. If you hit, our target should be around 355.50, around this area. Okay, so what we will do for scalping purpose, we'll put it as 355.50 for scalping purpose. Okay, so we have set our order here. So whenever it comes in triggers. Now why I'm setting this order is, in scalping is the most difficult type of trading. Okay, you can't wait for a long time. You need to take out money as soon as you see. But if you keep waiting, then you have to wait for your short-term trading. So if you can wait patiently, then you have to consider this as a short-term position and wait. For example, for shorting, you need to short in futures. Whereas in CNC, you can buy and hold for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like I told, let it break out upside and let me take an entry. But in scalping, you can't do that. You need to take advantage very quickly. Your brain has to work very fast. You need to be very quick and disciplined. If you don't, trade and close your account, you cannot, consistently make some money here. And what you make money here, if you don't reinvest it in some mutual funds or in short-term position stocks, equity stocks, then no point in making money from intraday scalping, right? So there are many things which you need to understand. Not everybody can keep scalping from the market. Everybody will try it, only few can get that certain knack. You make a lot of mistakes again and again and you learn out of it. So let's see, we will try to scalp 0.3 percentage for the day. Not more than that. I know the market is positive, still we are going, and small changes in the market in the downside, we will try to take advantage to the downside. So our target is around here. So slowly as the sellers increase and the market comes little bit more down, I'm sure it's gonna hit this particular level. It's gonna dance up and down. It's a common thing in scalping, common thing what we see. So yes, when it goes against me, I normally average out to get my prices in a better price, so that I can sell it quickly compared to other traders. So if you see market Nifty 50 is coming down, it is the right moment for us. Adani Port also is falling. You see, same way we need that effect on our stock. We are just waiting for that effect. So second candle has to take us here. That's what we are waiting. A little bit of bullish, a lot of buyers are there. Still, a lot of buyers are there who are not allowing Hindalco to come down. But considering the market pressure, overall pressure, I expect Hindalco to come down to these levels and test the support levels. But we will be done scalping here itself, not the whole way down. Alright guys, so if you see the Hindalco has fallen as per our prediction also. It has gone furthermore down. Okay, so our prediction was it has a tendency to go towards the support line, right? So it has finally gone. It has hit our target of 355.50. Okay, and that's how we scalp 0.3 percentage. Okay, it was an example how you can scalp 0.3 percentage. I scalped in a positive market. I went for a short, right? You would have seen me in a negative market also going in buying. It's all about the stock also. I know the support will be towards buy side or sell side, but Nifty was taking a turn towards negative side. So in that turn, I wanted a scalping position. Even Adani was one of the choice for me, but considering Adani is going like a rocket, I was scared. What if he turns again? He'll be going like a rocket. So guarantee it will be a stop loss or a big loss. But stocks like Hindalco is going up and down, testing these resistance and support. So he has a tendency to come and touch the support level like I drew. Again, I'll just draw for you to understand. So it doesn't mean it should touch always, okay? Just keep this in mind. Just a rough example how other traders are taking advantage and we are also taking advantage. And whenever you take profits in scalping, remember it depends on the quantity what you do. Okay, so whenever you do scalping, no matter if it is MIS, one example what I'm showing is MIS. If it is CNC or normal order also, if your profit is very less, don't worry. Even the small profits what you make, you can reinvest this in mutual funds or in long term if you are good in analyzing stocks. For example, I showed you example of Tata Coffee and Tata Chemicals breakouts happening and all. So you take little bit of shares, whatever you make, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 3,000, 5,000, keep it somewhere. When you get an opportunity, enter. For example, I invested 1,83,000 around in this particular stock, let's say Tata Coffee. So it takes time, right? In short term, you have to wait for the price to move. It will be dancing up and so I took around 122. Current price is 128. So I'm waiting from few days and it went up. So we have a profit around 8,000 rupees in the portfolio. Maybe it will come down or it may go up whenever I want. I may scalp for 5% in short term also. Same way, I have invested 1,57,000. Here I have in Alembic, I have invested 78,000, which is current value is 80,000, 1,50,000, 1 lakh. So roughly around 14,000 rupees I got. See, here you got the money. This money is reinvested either in mutual fund. Mutual fund is also very good and safe. If you are good in analyzing stocks, short term or long term also, you can live this for 1 year, 2 year if you feel this stock is fundamentally good, right? So you can reinvest this so that see the money if it has fallen in my account, trading account, what would have happened? I would have reinvested, I would have lost the money because in intraday you can keep making money. Someday you can lose 50% of the money also. Some mistake can happen, right? But if you keep taking out your money day to day profit every day and reinvest in different things, I reinvest in real estate, I reinvest in mutual funds, I reinvest in stocks. Okay. So first thing is real estate. Like I told you, in this year I am investing in real estate. I recently bought one property also, which is giving me returns. Okay, it's a commercial property. So I had to put all my money over there, right? So that is something which is securing my life. I'm going to get guaranteed returns for so many years. Okay. Then I'm putting in mutual funds. Then few money, small money which I get, I put it in stocks also, so that I can keep adding. If the stock was going negative against me, I would have added this 1,500 and bought few like 10 shares of Tata Coffee, right? So I am reinvesting, like mutual fund, I'm investing this equity stocks also. But it is currently going positively because of the market. So I got some money over here. So overall on my portfolio, let's say 3.57% profit I have got currently. So maybe I will settle for 5% on each stock or overall, because some stock can go negative, some stock can go positive. So overall I will settle for 5%. I am hitting my bank standard. So I got in within 10, 15, 20 days, I got my bank standard 5% profit. Now again, I will reinvest this money in 3-4 stocks, diversify in 3-4 stocks, because remember, not every stock will be going in our direction. So like this, you need to make a plan. These things will come by practice, right? So it doesn't mean you do intraday, you do every day intraday. When you get opportunity only, I wait from morning. When I get some chance, I will take advantage. I will not just open my system and take a trade. I observe the market, I understand the market, I see few stocks, then only I decide which stock to go, right? So don't think the money is very small, very quick. What money you get, reinvest. That's how an intraday trader can be a short-term trader, also can be a long-term trader, okay, also can be an investor. Be a hybrid trader, don't concentrate on one thing. So I showed you an example of price action, a support and resistance zone. From the resistance area, I just took a shot and I somewhere hoping that it will come near the support area. So I just confidently waited and we got the target in scalping. Now a price action trader will be waiting. The scalper is done for the day, right? So this is one more example for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Every video of Smart Trader is for educational channel. Whatever I learn, whatever I experience, I get, I keep sharing with people so that a lot of people can improve. And we have seen a lot of results, how people have improved and grown with us. Lots more to learn. So see you soon. Hit that like and subscribe button. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.